Hey y'all, welcome to Child's Cuisines. Today we're making shrimp fried rice. So in a preheated wok, we're going to start by adding in some shrimp and olive oil, and we're going to cook this shrimp until it's completely cooked and orange and white on the inside, so about 1.5 to 2 minutes on each side. Continue to stir. Also, you can use any size shrimp you want. I had colossal on hand and I just chopped it up. Once your shrimp is fully cooked, we're going to go ahead and remove your shrimp. Now in that same oil, I'm just going to go ahead and scramble some eggs. And the olive oil is fine. It's going to give it that flavor that shrimp cooked in. Just scramble your eggs until they're fully cooked. Once your eggs are fully cooked, remove that from the pan as well and wipe your pan down. Add in some olive oil. Now we're going to chop and cook our onions. Also, I'm adding in some chopped up carrots. We're just going to saute these until they're pretty soft. Once your veggies are pretty soft, next we're gonna add in some roasted garlic. Mix that garlic in there. After about 30 seconds, we're going to go ahead and add in our freshly cooked and chilled white rice. Go ahead and break that rice down. And as you're breaking it down, it will fry the rice in the pan. Mixing your veggies really well. Get that olive oil all over that rice. After about 3 minutes of frying and mixing, you just want to continue to make sure that it's frying. And then I use this seasoning mix. I love it. It should be in the multicultural aisle or something like that. We're just going to sprinkle that on, use a little bit of white pepper and also some onion powder. And then I'm going to just put in some butter and drizzle in your soy sauce. And you can add more soy sauce as you need it. Now my burner is on a medium low, so about 3. Just mixing that all in, and I'm going to continue to let my rice fry. And like I said, add in as much soy sauce as you like, taste as you go. I'm going to drizzle in a little bit more. Now let's go ahead and add back in our egg. I'm also going to drizzle in a couple of chopped green scallions or green onions, whatever you want to call it, and also our shrimp. Just going to mix that in. This dish is so simple, I love it. Just want to chop up your egg very good and mix it in. and season to taste. If you decide to recreate this dish, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines.